Jose was an amazing tour guide. We were able to see 2 sloths and many more animals during this tour. He was extremely knowledgeable and interactive during the tour. After the tour ended, we drank and ate some delicious food. Literally don't look anywhere else. This was worth the experience. It was very fun. It was very beautiful and we saw many animals. We learned about how sloths live. It was a very fun adventure. When we were done with the tour, we made delicious tortillas. We loved our tour so much. A big highlight of our trip. Jamie was a fantastic, friendly, and super knowledgeable guide. She can tell you everything about what you see and answered all our questions. We saw such wonderful flora and fauna here that we had not yet seen on other tours. The sugarcane juice was delicious and making the tortillas was so fun. Eating them with fillings and cheese was even more fun, haha. We loved being able to bird watch while we ate. We even got some passion fruit juice. We highly recommend. A really wonderful tour at an extremely fair price. It was a rainy day, but sun broke out for first part. Bring rain gear. Sergio was our guide and he was very knowledgeable. Make sure you wear insect repellent as you walk through the rainforest. Within first bit we saw 3-toed mama sloth with her baby. A 2-toed sloth female also. I brought binoculars which were never needed. Sergio had his mono which zoomed in on the sloths. Learned a whole lot. Get to make tortillas which are not as easy as you think. My girl nailed it though and has job awaiting her. Made fresh sugarcane juice also. Highly recommend. David was our guide who was absolutely wonderful and knowledgeable and a great personality. I would do this again and recommend it to anyone with something for a person of close-up personal experience with the animals. We saw 5 sloths. David was able to take fabulous pictures for us. Me and my family has such a great time. The guides were very informative and it was really fun pressing cane juice and making tortillas. We saw both 3-toed and 2-toed sloths, poison frogs, birds, agouti, and much more. I highly recommend this tour. Excellent experience. Got to see and take pictures of birds, frogs, sloths, etc. The cooking class was quick but fun and the guides are very nice. The sloth tour with our guide, Sergio, was fantastic. They offer tours on the family-run property and maintain the beautiful natural environment. Sergio told us all about sloths, and of course, we saw several. There wasn't a question Sergio couldn't answer. The ending with the sugar syrup and tortilla making session was a fun extra experience. This tour is highly recommended.